Hello, I am Michael from ZY Caraok Factory New Energy Department. Today, let's show you Caraok Energy Storage, power from 0.3 kilowatts to 100 kilowatts, and a capacity range from 0.3 kilowatt hours to 215 kilowatt hours, which covers portable energy storage for home, trolley suitcases, energy storage for military and civil, commercial and industrial energy storage. ZY Caraok has strict standards and requirements from the selection of raw material cells to the pack test of the battery and the assembly test of the finished product. A total of 3 tests are conducted. Each test link has a dedicated person to sign and implement to ensure the high quality of each energy storage when it leaves the factory. We have developed a series of different molds, different design appearances, and functional interfaces to meet different customer needs. Especially for trolley suitcases, energy storage, we have devoted a lot of energy to develop energy storage that meets the high standards of the military and can be used normally under various high intensity and even extreme climates in the field. Trolley suitcases. Energy storage is Caraok's star model, easy to drag and carry, which can be used for military purposes and has very strong performance. It has excellent performance in various extreme conditions, such as waterproof, shockproof, and field operations. The energy storage can be customized according to the actual needs. The default standard power is 5 kilowatt hours, which can be supplemented by solar energy and city electricity. Whether it is military needs or as a civilian energy storage device, it is very suitable.